Here's your weekly weather briefing from the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi for Thursday, June the 26th, 2025. On today's briefing, we'll take a look at a heat advisory which continues across the area with a marginal risk for isolated severe storms today. Rain chances continue each day through the period, and we'll take a look at the tropics. For today, an elevated risk or a level 2 for dangerous heat stress exists across the entire area. Heat index values this afternoon will range between 105 and 110 degrees, as highs top out in the middle 90s, combined with high levels of humidity across the area. As a result, a heat advisory remains in effect through 7 p.m. today. A marginal risk or a level 1 for isolated severe storms exists area-wide this afternoon and evening. Damaging wind gusts is the primary concern with storms, with frequent lightning and localized heavy downpours expected. At the moment, it looks as though the best threat for any isolated severe storms will be between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. Taking a look now at the forecast pattern, an overall moist and unstable air mass exists over the region through the weekend and will maintain a good chance for showers and storms each afternoon and evening. In the latter part of the period, Monday through Thursday, a cold front stalls north of the area. This further aids in keeping high humidity levels across the region with good chances for showers and storms. Highs through the weekend remain closer to normal as they top out around 90, and then with a better coverage of showers and storms each afternoon next week will cause highs to be slightly below normal and range in the mid and upper 80s. Meanwhile, overnight lows remain rather warm and only fall into the 70s. Chances for mainly afternoon and early evening showers and storms again persist through the weekend, with showers and storms increasing in coverage area-wide next Monday through Thursday as a frontal boundary stalls just north of the area. Now taking a look at the rainfall totals over the area. Currently the highest rainfall totals reside across southeast Mississippi, where 1.5 inches to 3 inches of rain will be possible through next Thursday. Elsewhere, 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches of rain will be possible. Widespread flash flooding is currently not expected. However, some localized flash flooding can't be ruled out, especially in areas where multiple, slow-moving storms move across the same area. And finally, taking a look at the tropical outlook, through next Thursday, July the 3rd, tropical cyclone activity is not expected. Thanks for tuning in to today's briefing. The next briefing will be next Thursday, July the 3rd, 2025 at 10 a.m. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us via the methods listed here.